Alright, hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Y'all, it's been a day. It's been a day, but we're doing a reset right now before I have to go to work tomorrow. So in this video, this is going to be my first time doing acrylic nail. This is Modelones acrylic nail tips kit. I got it from Amazon. I ordered it this morning. I don't know why I just be getting into my moods of like, I need to do my nails. Cause it's like, girl, this is a expensive habit. Chill out. But yeah, so I'm gonna be doing my nails and yeah. And this, like I mentioned earlier, this is part of my reset. Just trying to get my stuff together. And yeah, so I'm trying to find a movie on Amazon to watch. But the thing about, you know, when you do your nails, you can't get your hands wet afterwards. So I just got finished eating some watermelon, and watermelon make you go to the bathroom. So now I gotta pee. So I gotta pee and get all that out my system before I start on my nails. Cause I don't want to finish my nails, then have to go to the bathroom, then wash my hands. It's a whole thing, so yeah. But I'm opening up the kit right now. And I just also got finished washing my hair. Fuck. This shit is still in here. Oh my goodness, that's embarrassing. I tried to do the healthy route of like putting aloe vera in my hair. Aloe vera gel. And this shit is just like sticking in there. Damn, it's in here too? Okay, well, I guess I have another wash day coming up. I mean, damn. But that's cool, because I'm working out. So I get that sweat out my head anyway. But I'm not going to show you all doing my nails. I'm just going to show you all that I am about to do my nails. And just kind of see my own experience doing this by myself. I usually don't. This is acrylic nail sets. I think it's supposed to be the gel one. I don't know why. It look like this. Oh, here we go with this YouTube hand. Can y'all see this? This little gel thing. Okay. I mean, it looks simple enough. But y'all know I don't. The directions say go left. I say, can we go right first, then left? Like, I don't listen. So we're going to see. And then nail prep dehydrator 4-in-1 nail glue for nail tips. See, it's the tips thing that's getting me. Like, is it a tip or are they just saying nail? Because when I think about a tip, I'm thinking about, okay, the tip. But is it something that go all the way like that? Like, you know what? Don't confuse yourself, girl. Get the nails you need and keep it going. One thing I do like about ordering nails is that they always come with a nail file. Because I be like filing, and I forget where I put it. And then I'm like, damn, do I gotta go buy another one? But no, I have like 2 or 3 solid good nail files. I'm like, awesome. Okay, and then it come with this thing too. Little nail clip thing. But I like the length of these nails, so I don't think I'm going to be using that. But yeah, so this is going to be my first time doing this, and I'm going to just try to see if it's beginner friendly, as people on YouTube or in the YouTube world like to say. Because the people that be saying it's beginner friendly be the people that know how to do nails. I'm like, it's beginner friendly to you because you are a professional. So yeah, but it come with all this stuff, the different nail sizes, which is quite convenient. That is in its own little baggie instead of like just put in a box and you don't know. You have to put your glasses on to see which one is actually the number 7 or which one is actually the number 3. It's just like, okay. So, yeah. But I'm about to I'm going to use the bathroom, find a show. But I just want to, this is like a side comment. I've been watching this podcast on YouTube called Shits and Giggles. And y'all, these 2 young men, they so fucking funny. I started listening to them a couple of, like, late last year. And yeah, but they talk so fast. And they be saying words that I'm like, you need context clues for, because they're from the UK. But they always be saying mandem, farm. And I'm like, what's a mandem? I just learned today what they meant by the word yard. Because it's like, oh, you have to owe yard to yourself. I'm like, yard? What you mean? Like the front yard? But no, yard means house. Did not know that. I'm like, what are these 2 young men talking about? But they seem so happy, and they be just laughing and laughing and laughing. And I'm like, I just like that they so happy. It's always nice to see people laugh. But, okay. So, that was just a little side note. So, what I'm about to do is go use the bathroom, find my show. There was a movie on Amazon Prime. I'm kind of torn if I want to watch The Marvelous Mrs. Maisel, because I'm like into that. But it was like a movie with that man that's from what's that show with the girl named 11? Stranger Things, the cop. What's it called? Like, the man's name, I don't know what's the name of the movie. Evil Nights, or I hope it's not a scary movie too, because I saw it, I was like, do I want to watch this? Oh, it's called Violent Night. Okay, what y'all all about? Violent Night. A team of mercenaries breaks into a mansion on Christmas Eve, but they are not ready for a surprise combatant, Santa Claus, from the producers of John Wick. I do like a good John Wick, I ain't gonna lie. I do like a good John Wick. Okay. Marvelous Mrs. Maisel or Violent Nights? I think I'm going to rock with my homegirl Miriam, and then just depending on how the show going, because it's, you know what, let me just save this for something. Add to my watch list. Okay, how much of the Marvelous Mrs. Maisel do I got? It says season 5 out now. Oh, I got a lot to catch up on. Okay, Miss Maisel, entertain me, darling. Okay, I'm about to do these nails. Hopefully it is beginner friendly. It's probably gonna take me like an hour and a half. But I'm gonna file my nails. This is how everything's looking now. So I'm gonna file my nails. Actually, let me do that now. Oh, damn, I can't believe that aloe vera is still in my hair. Fuck, man. Shit. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I'm just gonna wash my hair again this week. But the locks are looking good, y'all. What? We be clever. Mandem. I need to stop listening to that show, because I'm gonna be like, Mandem, fam, brethren. That's all I hear from them. Mandem. Man, that's a good show. All right, y'all. Bye. All right. Hey, everyone, and welcome back. So, I was doing like I did my nails on Monday. Today is Wednesday. So I just wanted to check back in with you all to just show you all how my nails came out. And to just finish the review that I was doing with the Modelones. I think it was like Gel X nails. I think that's what I got. And overall, overall the process was pretty simple. In that it was really just like in a way that you would put on like regular fake plastic nails, but it's just that this set was clear. So you put your nail glue on, you buff your natural nail, put the nail glue on, all that stuff. What I don't like about this whole process was using that X-ray, infrared, or whatever type of light. I don't like putting my hand under that light, and I don't know why it didn't register to me that I was gonna need to do that. But I just didn't really like that part about it. And then on top of that, if you don't have like something to like keep your nail down while it's being cured, then that can be annoying too, because you're trying to like put the nail down. You're trying to hold it, and it's a whole thing. But overall, I like how my nails came out. They're not perfect, but they're cute nonetheless. I didn't necessarily want something this bright, but I was like, since I'm using the Gel X nail, I think I need to use gel nail polish. So, and these were the only colors that I have in like a gel nail polish. Well, I have like a darker color too, but yeah, but it was pretty simple to do. And yeah, that's about it. So to be honest, it's not lifting or anything. So I've had these nails on for about 2 to 3 days now. It's not lifting or anything, but I just feel like it's not going to be as sturdy. I really feel like within a week's time, it's going to be like lifting. So we'll see. But yeah, this is it. And overall, it was a good experience. I think it is fairly beginner friendly, but I will say that like if you are a beginner with doing nails, either get like a chip clip, a paper clip, or or like that thing that they actually sell to like clip the nail or push the nail, hold the nail down while you're curing it, because that is going to save you a lot of headache. That was the only difficult or bothersome part about this whole process. But yeah, it's cool. Okay, all right, bye. Oh yeah, and then my hair. I didn't wash my whole head, but I did try to wash the front part to get that white stuff out of it. Note to self: don't use aloe vera gel. Even though I blended the gel, I didn't just take it from the plant itself. I blended it to kind of smooth it out. It was still, yeah, it still did all of that. Yeah. Wow, I can't believe I have locks in 6 months. The old me could never imagine. Wow, 6 months. 6 or 7 months, really. No, like 8 months, because I started my twist in November. Wow, this needle method is amazeballs. Okay. But yeah, but all right, bye.